At Mangalam World School, Vaishali, the Universe in the School program with Space India ignites astronomy beyond classroom walls. The students engage in stargazing and hands-on workshops that spark curiosity about the universe. A truly stellar highlight was the Planetary Alignment Showcase. This wasn't just a simulation. Students witnessed a breathtaking real-time alignment of planets in the night sky. It was a rare and remarkable astronomical event that offered a unique opportunity for direct observation, transforming a theoretical concept into a vivid, unforgettable experience. When students witness the cosmos with their own eyes, we're not just teaching astronomy, we're inspiring the explorers and innovators of tomorrow. Seamlessly integrated into our curriculum, the program nurtures curiosity, critical thinking, and a lasting love for science, encouraging learners to dream big under the stars.